guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the best carbonara pasta ever. It's simple and delicious. So here's my bacon and here's my minced garlic. One thing I love about this recipe is that the measurements doesn't matter. It's all to your liking. So first you're just going to add some oil. I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to add my bacon. So we're just gonna let this brown until it kind of looks like it's ready. So here I have my pasta. It's boiling. For spaghetti, it's recommended to leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. It all depends on the pasta you're using and of course to your liking. So now I'm gonna add my minced garlic. Don't let it burn too much or toast too much because it won't make it that way. So now I'm going to add our heavy cream. So we're going to leave that to a boil. And don't forget to cover it because covering it is a very important process in making the sauce thick and creamy. It's not just the heavy whipping cream. And so we're gonna leave this covered for about 3 minutes and we have to wait for it to boil. So it's been about 3 minutes and this is what our sauce looks like. To this we're just gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Don't forget to rinse them with cold water. And we just stuff that in there. So we turn the stove off really quickly so that it doesn't get dry and stays saucy. Okay, so I have my carbonara pasta ready. And now I'm going to add the Parmesan because that's what gives it. And here's the final product, and it looked so good and even tasted so delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe.